It's now time for our Golden Nugget segment, which is sponsored by the Naples Family Office Symposium and where Mike will featured speaker at. It'll be held this year in Naples, Florida on October 3rd and 4th. The Naples Symposium is focused on uniting family offices, wealth managers, and other sophisticated investors with leading experts adept at navigating today's intricate market dynamics. So go check out the Naples Symposium. Links are in the description area. Okay, Mike, let's discuss deflation a little bit deeper. There have been two times in history where the economy moved into strong deflation, the 1929 and into the 1930s, Great Depression, and the 2008 Great Financial Crisis. What can we expect both in terms of the markets and the economy if it once again moves into deflation? And how long will the Fed allow that to happen before acting, in your opinion?
Unfortunately, it's less of an if and more of a when. I think it's happening now. It's happening global. It's happening in China. U.S., it's just a matter of time that follows it. I don't know how long, how far it lasts, but to me, the parallels are very similar to both of those periods. And the big difference is we've had this massive pump in inflation, so the Fed has to be careful pumping too much liquidity in the system to not recreate that. And we're at the highest fiscal deficit spending we've had. So it's McGlone is pointing out McFacts.
So on the McFacts side, what can the people on the ground expect? What can the people, what are they going to feel, in their everyday lives?
Just a reversion of the wealth effect we've had for over the last 15 years, meaning average home value should probably go down. Stock market should probably shouldn't they go down, revert, drop a little bit back to where they were. Should be higher unemployment. Virtually a lot of deflation in prices, and that I expect the price of gasoline to drop to well below 3, maybe 2 and change. So that'll be helpful. But you'll see unemployment, and unfortunately, I think a lot of people will feel a lot less wealthy, and that's where the trickle down kicks in. And it's not unusual to say that. It's always a matter of when. We've just never been this expensive, at least in like the last 100 years in terms of risk assets. But it's also the foundation I find very disconcerting. So I think it's important for people to prepare for it, and it's probably much better to be prepared than not prepared.